Hey everyone, welcome to Man Who Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect New York strip steak on the grill from start to finish. You'll have dinner on the table fast and have something delicious for the whole family. For more recipes, videos, and tutorials, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. New York strip can be one of the best tasting steaks for the money out there if cooked properly. You can marinate it, reverse sear it if you want, or simply grill it hot and fast, which is how I'm going to show you how to do it today. Start with at least 3/4 inch to 1 inch thick strip steaks. Any thinner and it will be very easy to overcook. I've pulled these from the refrigerator about an hour before I plan to start grilling to allow time for them to warm up. Any steak needs this time to warm up so it doesn't immediately seize up when it hits the hot grill. Rub some olive oil all over the steaks to allow the seasoning to stick and ensure they don't stick to the grill grates. Steaks should be seasoned simply but liberally. A generous pinch of kosher salt and lots of freshly cracked black pepper is all you really need. I also added a light seasoning of Montreal steak rub, which will help create a crunchy crust. Once they're seasoned up, let the steaks sit at room temperature while you prepare the grill. For charcoal grills, that means getting a direct hot fire going that's around 600 degrees. Gas grills can be turned up to high. Let them warm up for a good 30 minutes before you put the steaks on. This will allow the grate temperature to actually rise up and you'll get those nice grill marks on your steak. When the grill is up to temperature and the steaks are ready, set the steaks across the grate at a 45-degree angle, close the lid, and cook for 1 minute. After the first minute, rotate the steaks to create a crosshatch pattern on the underside. Cook for an additional 1 minute. After 2 total minutes, flip the steaks and you should see that crosshatch pattern on the underside. Now we're going to cook the other side untouched for an additional 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the steak should be temping around 115 to 120 degrees. This is perfect for medium rare. Pull them and let them rest on the cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. They'll come up in temperature and finish around 125 to 130. Once they've rested, slice to your desired thickness against the grain and serve. You should see that beautiful edge-to-edge medium rare from end to end of the steak. You can serve this obviously with potatoes or on a salad or whatever you like. The important thing to know is that you cooked it to delicious perfection yourself and you'll have the confidence to take on this steak the next time you see it at the store. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. For more videos like this and other recipes, be sure to subscribe to Man Who Eats and follow Man Who Eats on Instagram for more grilling and cooking tips and tricks. See you next time.